Tesla's regenerative braking temporarily reduced warning is a protective feature that appears when the system needs to limit energy recovery to protect your battery. Regenerative braking converts kinetic energy from your moving vehicle back into electrical energy, which is then stored in the battery. This process can recover 15 to 20% of energy during typical driving. The warning primarily occurs due to two main factors: battery temperature issues and high state of charge. When the battery is too cold, below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or when it's nearly fully charged above 90%, the system reduces regenerative braking. Tesla has implemented sophisticated thermal management systems to minimize these limitations. The cooling system diagram shows how various components work together to maintain optimal battery temperature. Recent statistics show significant improvements. The warning affects 60 to 70% of Tesla owners in cold climates during winter months. But Tesla service centers have reported a 30% decrease in related service appointments since 2023. When you see the regenerative braking warning, there are immediate steps you can take. First, check your battery temperature using the Tesla app to understand if cold or heat is the issue. Preconditioning is your most powerful tool. Schedule departure times 30 to 60 minutes before driving, and always precondition while plugged in to preserve battery charge. Use the scheduled departure feature for daily commutes. Optimize your charging habits by setting daily limits to 80 to 90%. Only charge to 100% for long trips. This prevents the battery from being too full to accept regenerative energy. For cold weather, park in a garage when possible, and consider aftermarket battery blankets for extreme climates. In hot weather, avoid high-performance driving and use chill mode to minimize overheating. If warnings persist in moderate temperatures between 50 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or regenerative braking never returns to full capacity, consult a Tesla service center. Remember, this warning is a normal protective feature designed to preserve your battery.